Jobu Opio Ecakan Boda nyesida buiria munos nepeka Ikokolak aluda ibare lo aloso sakoka kinei otomano dunyeteke idola twano Opio nyeside baka ebe abudo bongo kware sawana ikanye idom kakiria kide pikipik abuda tochi inwa Ikokolak alu otomana boys tingina da ngopi totorikesi iboroboy na kakwino metenyesa Aiyar.
Okay, after taking us home, this boy went back to his place. Reaching his place, he was attacked, shot dead, and the body is already in the hospital. So what I heard from the landlady that the boy was crying at night. I told people, don't kill me, you take the motorbike. So they did not lead to the boy, they shoot him.
A very good friend to us, and since I met him, he has been a good guy. We have missed a lot from him right now. Just at the time, we are so scared. No, we are so scared. As like the borders, we're so scared because every time, every month past gone, we are missing one by one of our guys. So we are so scared. I don't know which life we are going to move on right now in the Boda industry. The security guys, please try to make sure that at least we safeguard us, you know.
Mama iberedio tungene nienda ikamunitai konye dolo ayuara kesde baka sebe utaskesa imo Ikokolak alu.
Murdered in an area where there was some goats, because that area where he was staying was run. He was murdered as he was trying to flee away from the assailants. Only that this time, because of rains, these people kept on hiding in some areas. We have introduced the dog to the scene. It followed after Kanakomod, where the dog lost the scent. But I assure the community that we shall arrest those assailants and we'll make sure that we bring them to book.
Ida police nyesda ele pitunga inapaki ni narai itamtoke sinu pedoram ananyu nebe jauna ipucho taunulo moroto.
What we can tell the community is these are isolated incidences happening. It happens everywhere, but people should not get scared that town is insecure. We as security, we are working hard to ensure that the town is safe. What I assure you is town is safe. It's not our patrol teams are on ground.
Idola atwanyeza pone yangaroto mana mocha ringoni la dex na umoroto idarita yangaro chalo kem lolobai o district aloka pelebiong anodeida. Godfred Eyokum, TV East Moroto.